Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are talking about the Aqara Smart Lock U100 fingerprint keyless entry door lock with Apple Home Key, touchscreen keypad, Bluetooth electronic deadbolt, IP65 weatherproof, supporting Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google, and IFT in gray color. This smart lock is designed for modern home security where convenience and safety both matter. It replaces traditional keys with a fully keyless system, allowing you to unlock your door using fingerprint, keypad, smartphone, or smart home integration, making access faster and more secure. One of the standout features is the fingerprint sensor, which provides quick and reliable unlocking in just a fraction of a second. It adds a strong layer of security because your fingerprint is unique and cannot be easily duplicated. It also supports Apple Home Key, which allows you to unlock your door simply by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch. This makes entry extremely convenient, especially when your hands are full or when you are in a hurry. The touchscreen keypad gives you another flexible option for entering your home using passcodes, which can also be shared temporarily with family or guests. This improves both convenience and control over access. With Bluetooth connectivity, the lock integrates smoothly with smart home systems like Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT, allowing you to automate and monitor your door lock remotely depending on your setup. It is also IP65 weatherproof, which means it is protected against dust and water splashes, making it suitable for outdoor door installation with reliable durability. Overall, the Aqara Smart Lock U100 is a smart and secure door lock that combines fingerprint access, smart home compatibility, keyless convenience, and strong build quality in one advanced security solution. Thank you, see you in the next video.